Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and now is my chance. This is my second chance to give you a tutorial about BGP. I now is talk about root reflector. Yeah, because in BGP, if BGP want to connect with EGP, you must use mesh topology. So router must connect to another router like distribute, but in this case you just to of router is connect to one router. I can call it leader, I think. So a lot of router is connect to one router, and that is we call it router recognize. Okay, now I go to my topology so you can ah add add. Now we use Cisco, right? Cisco IO layer 3. The name is router, like this is no problem. I use a for router, for example. Okay, like this. So router 4 is in another autonomous system, and one router 1 2 3 in one autonomous system number. I connected. This is I use a Pinet Lab for virtual this looks like this one. Okay, I give you a few. I take in this one is 10.10.10.0 apply, and here I mean 20.20.20.0. Now in here I write 30.30.30.0. Okay, I think it's enough. And now like this. Yes, okay, what I use it. So this I just describe for you. Aduh. Okay, I put icon this for what I talk. Nah, like this. This is for one autonomous system, and there is one more in here. So I make a two autonomous system number to. Okay, if you think it, where is a router recognize in here, right? In router 2, because another router is connect to router 2, so I call it router. I begin from router 1. Okay, you can, this is in layer 2, I will in to layer 3. So I change my host name first. This is like this, and now I can add my IP address in Cisco is different with MikroTik. You can use like interface. Which one interface is Ethernet 0/0 like this? You enter and you can write your IP address 10.10.10.1 for router 1, view router 2 IP address. And Cisco is not believe with prefix, so you must write your subnet with subnet mask. I use in prefix is slice 30 like this, yeah. And you can write no shoot for save him. Okay, I do this with another router too. In router 2 I do to layer 3 and wait a minute. In router 3 and you can do, I will try to host name, yeah. I can add interface internet 0/0 is filter router 1, so I add IP address 10.10.10.2. This is my subnet like this. If you wanna print, oh, I add one more in interface Ethernet 0/1 for router 3. I tag IP address 20, yeah, dot 1 like this. So you can try to show him do, because what uh I call it perintah, it's come from layer 1, so you must use do show IP interface brief set. Okay, this is in internet is here, yes, asyncnet, yeah. Now you can try to ping router 1, do ping, it's can, you can, it's get 80%, you can try it. Okay, it's now it's 100. uh Before it's loading. Now in router 3, same as another router, yeah. You can change host name. I know there is so boring, but what I shall I do? I don't know. Host name is router 3 like this. Thread I add internet 20.20.20.2 our subnet. And now for internet /1 for router 4 like this. No should. Okay, now you can do a ping from router 3 to router 2. 1 second. Okay, it can do it. Now from router 4, this is with a different as AS number. So I can add my IP address. This is just one. For information, this is now is what is different day. Yes, this is in 12 plus in Thursday. I think Thursday. 00 for router 4. I can add my IP address 30.30.30.2. After that, our subnet mask like this. Okay, let's try ping it. To 1 second. Oh, it scanned. Yes, 100% you can like this one. Okay, now we get to BGP configuration. You can add BGP router BGP, and you can write your AS number do you want in this router for this router. Okay, I want 10. This is now in our router BGP configuration. So then you add your neighbor. I say it your tetangga. Yes, like your neighbor is 10.10.10.2, and you can use remote autonomous system. Is same. Uh, this is same, yeah. Router 1, 2, 3 is same autonomous systems. So remote AS is same. Then and you use neighbor update. What I forgot it. Neighbor. I forgot update things. Wait a second. I will try to what? Ask this update what? Umar. What I in update what? Update what? Update source. Root reflection ya? Root reflection. Root reflector. Okay, I forget it and update source. Nekbor update source.
Nekbor kasih IP.
Nekbor update source. Okay.
Nekbor 10.10 ini.
You can.
Itu pak update source terus kosong berapa?
Yes. You use update source the name and root reflector. Root reflector. Okay. Nah, that is our. I will do it this night. Root update source for Ethernet like this. Okay, it's enough for router 1. We go to router 2. We do that like that. Router BGP 10 SAM neighbor. Your neighbor is 2, yeah, router 1 and router 3. So you add your neighbor address. Remote ICE is 10 SAM and neighbor your update source is Ethernet 00 like this. Now for your neighbor in right 20.20.20.2 remote AS is 10 same still same, and you can use your neighbor update source Ethernet. This is connect with Ethernet 1 like this. Okay, now for router 3, router BGP 10, you can add your neighbor. This is 2 same, but it's different because router 3 is connect with another AS number for router 4. I connect with router 2 now 20.20.20.1 remote AS is 10 and neighbor 20.20.20.1 update source is Ethernet 0.0 like this, and I add another neighbor 30.30.32, but remote AS is I tell it 20 and 2 more for 30.30.32. Update source is 1 Ethernet 1. Okay, like this. And in router 4 you can use same what should router BGP is router BGP 20 because I want this AS number is 20. Neighbor 30.30.30.1 remote AS is 10. Neighbor 30.30.30.1 update source Ethernet 0 like this. Okay, if you want to save it, you can do this right me. Okay, it's safe, and you can do it's different. Show I think it's in conf show HB or in conf in layer 2. Okay, I try in here. Show ah okay, now is try to ping from router 1 to router 3, 1 to 2. You can try. I not assign my router. Umar, we can try to just like okay. It's what? Wait a second. Wait a minute. Wait a minute for tomorrow. Okay. Huh? What? I think a BGP is not in because I not at a network. After I see, yes, I not at a network. Okay, I now is at network to BGP. Then I add a network. Then I forgive me please. I forget because it's too like network. Then and mask is like this. Okay. Now in here and I add a network for my right like this. Yes. Okay, now I try to in router 3. Ah, like this and 430. Okay. And in router 4 I add a network for 30. Okay, like this. Now I try to print it. Okay, it's there is an IP. Let's try to ping. First is router to router and I try to router 1 to router 3. It's can, it's do it, but This is I think is cannot. Let's see. It cannot. Why? Because we not do root reflection in here, router 2. Like as I tell to you before this, in router 2, yeah, look, no 0%, so it's not, it's timeout. In router 2 you must do the name is configure terminal. You do your router BGP, then in if this being to this and this is in same autonomous system is scan, okay, but now I will try to another way because this is not BGP is default. BGP default is like you use router mesh mesh topology, so this connect in here too, but it's not connect, so I use a router. I call it neighbor 1 and route reflector client. This is for what left, and I will add for looks, this is down and here up, okay. I will add for right like this, okay. Okay, we try to print it anymore. Yes, it's 2. Network 10 and network 20 and network 30 is here. Okay, let's ping from this. Scan to 20. It's scan to, and now it's to 30. Yo, it can. You can do it. This is a root reflector. Now I try from router 1, so I try ping to router 1 to router 4 in another autonomous, another place I call it. 100% it's work, and from here, believe me, it's work. Hey, not 30. Ping 10. Like this. It's work. Alright, I think just this for tonight, and now I will try to sleep because it's very tired. This is another day. Thank you and goodbye.